That's an American.
Said you enough form for. Especially Wiana.
Makaya
me call happy FM.
That boy
we are no duwaja akomninya tisimwa.
Tia hanyansa
wo so adomani kre na ejetua to. That me munso ja maso baton ni munamu de kwa. I think it's marvelous. Inti mebuma baso.
That's right. And yeah, live on Facebook Onua 95.1 Onua 95.1. And yeah, profile kakra before we delve into other issues. Why Okatakyie Afrifa na kwame Okatakyie Afrifa?
Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah Asantia gona adishia ne me. Ya wo me wa Asantia chimbumfa. Na eja vetina bumfa. Kurase. Ko bumfa United Primary. Ko bumfa DJSS. Edebesine ko all the way to Swami. Eti bi ko nyini wo Swami, o Swami nkramum.
Okay.
And eja medical St George's kakra. If you want to betna ye Kumasi Buadi. E ma me ko ke university ye primary ni JSS nti abrabo no me frɛ kurase na me ko ni nya na ya do ma me graduate.
That's good.
And see every mo e call infantile school. The free hoba a young crime streetism.
That's
ebe bo mu ane na mu ene eja ye de ba radio so ba TV so aya adwuma be sine fu kakra construction kakra adwuma nketen bi nso kakra so largely Okatakyie Afrifa ye krasi ni be manu a ofri bom fa chia sene Asante Aguna no sa ya Asante Aguna yo kohene largely that is why
yo kohene o yo hene
aneme yo hene.
Oh, okay.
Ote yo kohene no
95.1
na hene so menyo hene didi tra menyo hene.
Oh, yes, guy bi no afa to ho so no.
Why na say
on here wa bodwe on here na bodwe fu on here na bodwe fuku ha. I mean why are people talking like that?
Okay,
na we on here na bodwe wo hoda na ensem bebre na msio wa be de kakum wo yo hene wo hin.
The woman said, "Enkrofo ebri for lack of knowledge."
There you go.
Na omotrasia they assume say o minor etimono your history as a people started free time akwasi broni in the ship obesi ha. But long before kwasi broni beba abe influence your culture. Na ya na nanom wo mamma mre no mamma ne omoyo. Oh dem che. It is one hina wa abodwe say they lack the knowledge to understand say Sabi beko Asante Ahemfie na no. Mampo hine hu me wose you know me ko ka kire ye wura se tutu a wodi ka baaye tieni o. Obia ni the picture. Ye ro tumfo se tutu a wodi ka kire santeman. Obia ni the picture. Na Jamaica ni bi draw the picture based on omo Jamaicans no aye be fa omo koye no. Said ye no omo nim ne fa. And ye art of a year tumfo se tutu a wodi ka o kire santeman. Na picture no omo de be bo ho no mampo hine hu me no se ohun obi a o se otumfo se tutu ye wura santeman do kire ohun obi o se ne sa apɛ the picture ti sebe ana mbusa de na no abodwa no se ai ntia evisa ye na nanu mo pen so twumantwi kobia manfo ti akante obiri ye bo a mo pen so no na ye di ahini a abodwisa sabi okon na ne yeko na ye kokko a wana wa abodwa time wode kokko yi na abodwisa
na blade di ko bi wai
satam no ye nya chiu se obedi hina ye do si apatam for adaduanan eti adaduanan ne ye do ahye dem no sa abra no koyi eti ye na nanu mo ahini wo bia ne wo so aya no ni abodwisa eti mekura na midi na nanu mo ahini papa no tienie nebo mkwasi broni bedi ya so no one ne style ne ya say we be na body nyina leadership tienie. That is why even in our lenses how are you shenioma we view things from the lenses of the English. Even me share diplomacy and international relations. Oh ka mo say me hu diplomat bia wo abodwe se na mbu say mo say na akọ Arabia Iran Iraq diplomat free oba na mo say ai na mo say diplomat ne ya mo ba wo mo ro mo abodwe sa na mo ba na mo say dabi. So we view things from the lenses of the white man and project it as the truth. So we are here yanko contrast yanko contrast man here na abodwe say ku ha na sabi sabi o me man hene asante aguna man hene wa complain say me sha abodwe nti oje akunya na firi bezam ana
dabi
ana asante hene hu o menu am kura abodwe say waje akunya na firi bezam
dabi
enti ahene no onti ase a ma illiteracy and then lack of knowledge 95.1 cardiopathy ya nyansa bra ne nchiro mu
enti aguna aguna de ben
asante aguna yokohene
asante aguna yokohene
na ya na dodo na ente ahini ase tie tenase a ne aka de pe enka tete tie nie na ahini ne ni ne nkronkro ne ni dwaso hene ye ni adwoso hene ye ni ayi mampo hene ne ni kwaman hene ne ni bibiasa ne di ahini abusua aduana ayoko asuna asachiri eti na obete doma hene na doma hene se me na me ye aduana piesie tie nie obete yesi wotumfo ye oyoko piesie tie nie obako yesi dwaben hene ye oyoko edehye emse sa na ne edi hene etu fa ibi na sante amakosemu a twuma ntwuko bia manfoti akantemu nyina no mo ye ayoko hene nemomo emre ko na nim no emre dane no ane yenya nkronkro demarcations enti do ya yoko hene ne ya chichiri kro no a no abeye kwa aman hene do ya yoko hene ne ya chichiri kro no a no abeye dwabe hene do ya dua na hene ya chichiri kro no a no abeye doma hene ane ye didi mua bedu sampempenso yi. Now we need to protect the original identity of chieftaincy. Eti ye wa dua na hene wo hostel yoko hine wo hostel o mampani kufu a wo free abanwa so ne papa ne se a wo wo no ya asante yoko hine tienie okọ asante memu otumfo osese tutu otisu yi ne fa kutre ye nwotwe ye wo nifa ye wo akomu ye wo des ye wie ni nyina no abusua a ewo fe kutre eye ayoko ana wo fe kutre eka eye nso ne wo etunya akwamu unya kontre unya nifa unya benkum unya jase na uwie ni nyina oyoko ewo emsa santimama yokofo na ya de hyekan memetia metamma kunya firi dwaben menua ni dwaben hene ana sabi o mekoye mitubata ekwa agona kotena agona mekoye sabi o abrabo papa me bono wo eye agona nti ana free mera tenten obehwem kura no a agona man hene nyina me na me wo man hene a wo to fom ye gya ne kwan ekwa kura yi ana me ba no me na me wo no eti nese obi tena se no ntia hini ase na de kakra bi ayaka kire no na adwene mu ha na mo be oniti o ma mesua na kika de ope ahini ne ye media me na na kwa bena nyina woni kwa bena nyina obi a wanyini wo krom ha bia ni mo nyina band kene nyina
oh yeah
yes me na no
old timers
me na na pandi mponye nche me na na ne kwa bena nyina
okay
kwa bena nyina akonwa no woteso as oyoko hina of asante agona na meteso
I see
eti obi sa patomas eti ye ni bra obi ye na wo yo hine na anyo hine na no eboa magana ye di Ghana nkomo
we need to ask all the questions here we say una oswaso ankonya una oye those things they keep saying and then you clarify the always one
sabi brother asante memu ye ma toilet so hine kuraje
ye ma de
ye ma toilet so hine kuraje
I to you my friend enemy.
Me say toilet so hine wa asante memu ti so obi man hine wo I'm telling you one asante memu mpaboa hene je ne kodi
Da baba yini nyeli paketo wa
ana me ka kire no edi so bi tra baby no ye ana mpapa e man hene baba e man hene o baba zo man hene zabi o de to yoko hene hu a enu babia eti ye ma obia nsuo ye obia we are very serious in this country. We want to have serious conversations, so
let's get to see so I didn't wager radio we because you were that wonderful to listen to.
I think obia a path in life where they want to get to. Now, every stage in life, you become more or less a bearer of the ship, but the waves of the sea will direct you to the shore. So, in this particular instance, a baby, I person, your born no more, Baby I pass here
Onua FM 95.1.
The drew pointer if feel say you bet me you be a bit different rather than doing radio. After all, whatever needs to be proved in the radio, we've done it. We've proven it. Yaba radio Happy FM area. Now Happy sports station. I was the only person I'm to me movie Happy Free sports station then the core political station. And the minua you don't kwa one a tea a year per one the best so I said you were who you made it. Mesu baby I do be me you man and been and me jaho no be a trans and no offer. Ye call a year XYZ. The call ye na me just one day in a week. So we were able to move XYZ from an extreme political platform to a semi-neutral platform. The kind of conversations we want to have in this country, we believe so strongly that we can have those conversations, not necessarily sitting at where you are at the microphone, but rather sitting at the other side of the microphone and do the things for the people. And now I am not going to sit at where Dr. Prekasa is. I'm going to sit where I am sitting to speak for the people and in the interest of the people. That is why I've stopped radio.
Okay. Because we Miami investigations, Kakra. I hear some stations would have come for you, but then one, they sense arrogance when they spoke to you, and then two, as a which is which? Arrogance. If we have a conversation, I don't deal with my values. I deal with my value. When we have a conversation,
95.1
may have values because values can change with time based on where you sit. But my value there, it doesn't change. It will also sense arrogance. Me puma ni kurame. O sense arrogance. Juma ye, juma wuyi. Juma art. Tienio. ART. Yes, it's an art. Me nya tena microphone echi na makom. Makom for samaba. And obia wo ye movie. Obia wo ye radio. Obia wo ye TV. Oni igwa wontimi nye. Ese dwe kakra wo. Ese dwe kakra wo. If say dwe no na bring it the thing in you out. And if you are somebody who manages a year nkrofo a wo mo wasa talent yi, na say who know how to massage egos of these people, that means you don't even deserve to come for me. It mean dwe if you say be o metia me nkrofo na tete kwato. 95.1. Nipa say be o mo fom pa no, wo mo na me no mo di agro, me no mo di nkobo. Na mo ba ne yedi nkomo a and for 2x4 the mama 2 table no so na nwene say and am say Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah wo per radio so atenti bibia obe accept it. What the bar minimum value ebo no me bo ma wo ebo okura na nya bo na me bo no ebo no kura na say de obesi ahoahoa kasa den me hunu say ampaniampa value me enti me ba it is a me ko XYZ before me ko XYZ sika me J XYZ for now is about half the price I was mentioning to people. But at that time, nipa no offer me say memra me adwuma man ne kasa den say dem duru ne office here and no na me share so de ko XYZ. Enti enye dwe ne momu ahu me value na balance o me platform ne so nti uba be benefit o platform ne so afa mo bi foforo. Would you want to disclose that? What you be saying?
Onua FM 95.1
say we free want would you want to disclose?
Oh, XYZ for can someone man come be your man. Omunya nkan enti.
Were you sacked at XYZ and not resign here? Because that there are rumors.
Now, on my bed catch us. Yes, I came.
When you drop, send me your friend will Facebook. Or drop, you say, oh, you have resigned. I'm no longer working there. The comments were, oh, you have been sacked. You have been sacked. You have been sacked. What actually transpired?
Sir, I've been sacked from XYZ. Okay, so, send it to me and Sanawa. It's yanya be very quick. This is my radio. Oh, you know, but you wait me a kind secretary, mama. Quick. Na.
Resignation, Anna.
Oh no, wait me a
yeah, we a resignation letter. Or say please.
Onua FM 95.1.
Formal resignation from the position as host of Saturday morning show. Abrana on TV XYZ, effective today, 9th December 2022. I appreciate the opportunity for growth and development that you and the team have proven.
But for the dos, then you know, we throw away. Afi Jinasona etiasem. The remember the core in you. Where here for a letterhead in
Where SYZ Broadcasting Network letterhead. Okay. Management acknowledges your resignation letter dated December 7, 2022 as a host of Saturday morning show Abradaso on TV SYZ with
WOHO 95.1.
We appreciate the value you added to our programs and wish you well in your future.
But your sign AW, right?
Yes, right.
Joseph,
W. Joseph Koshi Dogbe.
Yes.
Deputy CEO, Administrative Finance.
What is there?
Okay, so it's been cleared.
Yeah.
Me, I'm going to play the devil's advocates by asking all the all the questions about now Jawa fans because when you see yeah pamono when no crano acceptance of your resignation letter no cry say I mean
me resign me no be any problem
no problem
me sorry na me call resign yeah
the one say one check
and me call 1 year 7 months which is okay.
Right.
But what was the
WOHO 95.1.
there should be something Anna.
One thing about me is maybe I may you maybe me free what openi ko ni mo ebo nyumbi o se asempa na ye obi a modin wa na uja odin ho na uwie adwuma na se wo kɔ ba bia siesie wachi se be ya wo kyena so obi pa adwuma ne bia ya obetimi a make recommendation tienio eti ba bia ne wa me no be ya adwuma ye be wi a whatever transpired between us and enkoyi no be de be ba trouble nte enya possible.
Okay.
But happy FM you slammed them. You slammed the door. Happy
FM also me sorry one day and that JJ Rollins we and I'm sure resignation letter come on. I'm the quiet and I'm kujano.
Yes, the way you left was also bad.
And only a day bad in the day.
Now you just dump it and left. And when Yana to send you, we
WOHO 95.1.
He's still dumb.
He's still dumb. Happy FM crown so nana me war and I'm for the management top management position. In fact, me sure resignation letter come out. Me yonko pa ne Edwin Amankwa CEO of Happy FM. That is media. You can say global media. Edwin Amankwa is my very good friend. We had interactions back and forth for more than 2-3 weeks. Then I finally said it wasn't happening, so I left. So Happy FM, me no be any problem. Till today, many are doing their very close. I was about 2 weeks ago, cry share the deal. When I big deal. Happy FM, but be no me free wa. Me no mo free ho on a bad note. Even if me no mo nyadwene will be when I'm free wa. Me chro krata, I'm the abroad me free ho.
But there's a saying, never say never.
WOHO 95.1.
Who can say, wife quit radio cry now? Woman offer Bibana, you think you have to go back? Why not?
So me come back a radio. It cannot be a full-time job.
Conventional.
Okay. It might be one of those.
Possible, but any full time.
It cannot be.
Okay.
Because said at any point in the human life, so to me analyze it. Now is that what I genuinely want to do? You see, one of the things I went off radio and TV, and I've been silent for a while. And they say, but trust you analyze it, baby. What's that? Or my Ghana who don't know what you want to know. I thought that I would discuss it Ghana and Koma. You get so emotional about it.
It's true.
And I told that to me to 2 Ghana maybe bro so. Now, instead of the people listening to the conversation you are having, a very serious conversation you want the nation to have, then maybe 1 or 2 mishaps that he had about the conversation, no, a cloudy a year as someone woke.
Okay.
So one day I woke up and I said, I think I need to take a year commercial break. Namin komechi. Namin CSC nyoma kakra, then I come in much more different than the Afrifa Mensah you guys have known over the years. Me free TV, radio, so I'm a call actually, bare 3 months in. I'm just analyzing myself. Even if I'm going to come back, what can I do different for the people to benefit from it without necessarily coming out so harsh on people because you love the nation. Sometimes it gets you so furious. Even if I'm going to come back into the media, it will be different. Sometimes because you say, "Sebi baby, I want you know, matna hoping." It's a better kakra. Na me hwese no so to say so I will be doing social commentating, still fighting in the interest of the
ticket
people.
Of which
FM 95.1.
So be a be frɛ no wako tena political show be ase na
I don't think make accept me a communicator of a party. A social commentator is different. After all, Kroma one him say me MPP ni. Obi him say me MPP ni.
Say we MPP ni. Oh, am I hearing well? And
I thought say one can say follow no, and it's all follow no.
Well, explain that. No preka say you he knows I am MPP true and true.
Oh, really? Maybe it's
my demonstration. I mean, all DNA.
Oh, calling XYZ SSI. Still MPP
no. John Mama Krama here and Makacha say me MPP hint means. The fact that me move my buy no me bomb my buy no is not automatic.
FM 95.1.
Nti we MPP ni and na ukoye adwuma ewo NDC station.
In any case, why must we sit in the country where you be creating impressions we MPP ni akutimi koye adwuma? Meanwhile, MPP was we NDC for bebre jeje contract didi men. Ebeni for no more top o mu didi men. Na nkola na wase ye won say oye MPP ni a enkoya adwuma wa NDC station oye NDC ni a enkoya adwuma wa MPP station na won so wagye atom sa oye NDC ni oye MPP ni Ibrahim Mahama fra adwuma koya bi na entre na adwuma ne nko na nim no for more people. Why do we sit in the country? Look, I want to change the narrative. I don't think I was born to come and do the same thing over and over. I don't think I was born to come and do what everybody has been doing. It's we MPP ni antimi nkoya adwuma wa NDC adwuma o NDC ni so come on, let's have a serious conversation.
Ade ni say we nya abayo 95.1 hu usu no ba ni ba bia ufia enya ade abafa ade ni sa na tie ba o ye like na ko wram a wo wram
only 95.1 Sunni. We got time check almost 29 minutes past 4. Yene Okatakyie Afrifa and Wahasi. I just say, and Semba community will be going to that part you are itching for. You have called that part very soon. But then some few ones before we get to that part. What do you make of this current MPP? I can say, MPP way now Sanchez say, MPP.
I've made my position very clear and known. Service have been previous 2016. I campaigned vigorously for Akufo-Addo.
Yeah.
Yes. It's a known fact. I campaigned against John Mahama. I campaigned vigorously for Akufo-Addo in this country. And my expectations has not been met.
95.1.
And the fact that me MPP, ni free MPP fear does not mean Akufo-Addo, amemoni nkoya, ni ehedi, or my be a timwo, amemoni koyo, nkoyo, ni ehedi. There is no one single individual in this country, be it MPP or NDC. Our criticizing a buying which and me Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah. And yet possible. Not because I am against the party NPP, but the principles and the ideals now. Yana nanomo de form the MPP ne enye. The principles and the ideals now missing pakwasi. No nam efiri eye bomfa chiase. Otutomu akoduru eye achiase asiwa. E presse kwasi oseje beba be MP of Ajoso nyeni. The principles and ideals of Eye John Ejekum Kufuor no ayede ba di ade from 2000 to 2008. Enya no ni. So why must I sit in this country and because I am
FM 95.1.
I need to sit down we NDC obiaba na memwo nkoyi o se me NDC ninti. Beka say ye. Me de menyima de sa. Me ekoyi a meka. Enkoyi a meka. Opa betimi atra ba bia adapa bia ba so obobia twa yenye ready. We don't care. Said the aboy to Brazil na wo nipa kura bia na wonim. Afrifa bomfa chance. Wonim ntia. Na fix the country demonstration kura na meto atie. Na medim. Na dia bio. Meto ati ho magana for we asi nyina ehwe kura no still am se me kom wo mine I'm fighting in the interest of the people. What else? Wo nipa kura the intimidation bio. What kind of intimidation? So yes, me campaign Emma Akufo-Addo, but I am so disappointed in the leadership of Akufo-Addo. It does not mean automatically take it to NDC. Many NDC.
Onua FM 95.1.
And so be acquires a religion. Ye nyina ye ba baby a ye wo no they indoctrinate you. 10 years. Metia for the last bare 10 years means you saw them that. And so busa me say me sorry Christian am say I me kwa so be am say Methodist. Methodist him bia ni wo kroma minto. Ediatia. If say I did not choose the kind of religion I want to be. Yawo Onua sebi ofri eye Christosum fie no ano ni ahya the Bible etetew. Yawo Onua ofri kramofie fie na ne the Bible indoctrinate. Efie a yawo metumu ehon yawo ya ahenkura Afrifa. Na ya ahenkura Afrifa ya MPP ni a beden wa indoctrinate him sembe NDC. Mese pa akwasi ya chairman of MPP beden wa indoctrinate him sembe NDC. Said ya sebi yawo nkofo bebre wo fie a ya indoctrinate wo mo to become NDC.
No
money but what I am championing is that we MPP, we NDC, because you MPP no NDC na kind of correct. Asa, we MPP, because you MPP, we NDC, because maybe 2020 na Akufo-Addo memo nyam fe ti manto aba ma no.
Otuma wan.
Manto aba. Manto.
Anti MPP ni mapa no. Ana NDC ni mapa no. Say amamu na nkoyi amana unless opposition
it is not about one to more position unless the candidate of the opposition who so the be different on the ticket. Other than that,
can you ever vote for John Mahama?
If only me way no na say who so the be different.
About this time around something different.
Some way John Mahama so something different.
No, he's coming this time around.
Oh, funny conversations
So
Onua FM 95.1.
You see, may try my possible best to say the conversation will be had in context without having to mention individual names. Now, Yansha John Mahama, tell you, as I'm waiting here, make one from TA. John Mahama sorry one day Emma all of a sudden enipa 1 millionaire to abetia no in 2016 no yenka so mu nyina sebi no madwene nye ana mo to abetia no Akufo-Addo kwakwado na aba bebu amamuo tantan amamuo fon ama all of a sudden John Mahama enya some level of credibility eti ajamambisa se Akufo-Addo amamuo ne nye ana mambi bi owo de chem so nemu wo se mambisa momrantemu na juanye na no sa no ba ku bi all pass so se mo ama ade che meka ne hia sa abramo ampani ampa 2016 ya ndi John Mahama omo ka ne hye de bra ye 2020 nso ya ndi wo masa ka ne hye de bra ye eti in effect tienie yempo between John Mahama and Akufo-Addo no he is lesser of the two evils eti bia ne Ghana for because ye koto ba ma John Mahama. The leadership of this country has been brought so low that we don't have any choice than to choose from any of these two. That is why we sit in this country. John Mahama is coming again, and all of a sudden, Obia say, "Me and John Mahama, say me Musane." What is that? Ade John Mahama no media DNB pay na. Ye ntukoma ye hunu. Yes, do ye ni ye kan. De wanje ni ye kan. But between John Mahama and Akufo-Addo, Senator Mahama lower the governance of this country to a 5 Akufo-Addo by wabuba no wase ba no. So then John Mahama will have the moral turpitude to say and Akufo-Addo nyadi amontuma me. But not because John Mahama is going to give us some world-class leadership we've never seen.
95.1.
So probably his lesson.
If he has learned his lesson, your money to me so media and watch. Do you get a point? If he has learned his lesson, your money to me so media and watch. But nobody should force anybody in this country say, because Akufo-Addo has failed, then automatically nobody should talk about the failure of John Mahama in the past. In any case, John Mahama's approach to this election should be more of somebody who is telling Ghanaians, say, well, who the mistakes no Obabe corrected them. He should not be promising anything new. What is he promising? Or promising there? You've been there before.
Scrapping of ex-Gracia.
Some company say we will have it in detail if you have time. Sabi President John Mahama only 2 years will decide ex-Gracia money home. Per the constitution of this republic, only 2 years they decide ex-Gracia money home. And in law, there is something called nemo dat non quod habet. When you don't have something you cannot give. Constitution, let's say, Article 71 say, The ex gratia and other emoluments of a president and the ministers, it is determined by a committee set up by parliament.
Definitely is going to set up a committee.
No, set up by parliament. So say, yeah, President Mama and set this committee, na no caso be. And in any case, President Mama Kraka will be ex gratia mua. The ex gratia crown will be it better take effect in 2029. After the
2025. This is why he was.
How can he take effect in 2025? Because I'm running say, at the end of your service, you set up a committee. So Akufo-Addo will be the governance. And will be setting up a committee to determine the ex gratia of the current governance, which they will take their ex gratia in 2025. It will be a president in 2025. Na simple aso. Yamfa ne so betimi atwamua. Ube take effect in 2029. Sometimes President Mama, what do you do we? It where the we okachiro ministers so mo first gratia na mo pa no be bomb pom fama. So please, that kind of conversation we want to have in this country, it is more of a say the next election we are going to have, Ghana for, and no amount of intimidation can stop anybody from this country.
All right. Yeah, live on near 95.1 Facebook, so on near 95.1. Ube to me joining your live on Facebook. Kwame Okatakyie Afrifa the chese obia bano say yenka asemno asetesa or ye very vocal one menya no wa media practitioner as well. As he say, no, one hanging the globes kakra, but then he will come back. I know he's definitely coming back. He politics ni hiti next year na. Ube remain. You'll be an ebe for so no abe.
Onua FM 95.1.
It's your live for Facebook. Bet me I join here. Onua 95.1. What is it about this government? I'm a MPP who nya konobium.
You see, leadership is not about brick and mortar. It's about optics. When you're a leader, already the mood of the nation and the mood of the people. Then you act according to that. Sabi imperial say Akufo-Addo babedi eya aban no. Na nye eya akwan ya wo babeyi. Say ya akwan dia na joma me yi bi dida. Say your hospitals dia na joma me si bi dida. Say sabi your schools na joma me si bi dida. So we were not talking about akwan ya wo babeyi. But the level of indiscipline in this current administration Anajo Mama exhibited the level of corruption Anajo Mama exhibited. And on a magana for shoddy G tree ejeta. Ekoko to a betty Ajo Mama say. We saw Akufo-Addo to be a disciplinarian. The kind of image they projected for us as a Akufo-Addo was somebody and I'm against one I'm crying anka second letter Eshene Sabi Unibotum. It would Jimmy Yanu a second letter do Diasha Suno the amount. But we are not seeing that. The kind of image they projected to Akufo-Addo, we thought that naka corruption, the sebisebio, when you corruption, they say what in the two binehuana no. Akobeka home. And some for your corruption, no, defend you. So this is a disappointment. It is not about free SHS Hawaii. We thought Akufo-Addo was coming, not every Tom, Dick, and Harry award driving V8 at the expense of the taxpayer, he was going to cancel it. We thought Akufo-Addo was coming into this kind of a country, sebisebio as a ministry. John Pombo Magufuli of Tanzania. Time Obabedia, the other ministers say what Tanzania, and Tanzania as it stands now is about 60 million people, twice the size of Ghana. The land size of Tanzania is about twice the size of this country. But the ministers are John Pombo Magufuli Beto Yeneye 32. John Pombo Magufuli Beto you say no, we cannot use that. 32 it's too much. No, tell Suba 19. Wow. It is Okatakyie me say John Mahama use 86 ministers. It who Akufo-Addo be save the public purse now be far at the 125. This is a disappointment. It is not about hospitals awusi. It is not about schools awusi. When the people are in hardship, nkrofo ni sika, obi esu, obi atiem. Now we play now timu now wo now. I mean, this cannot be leadership. This is perpetually not leadership. This is absolutely not leadership. We a leader already the mood of the people. You act accordingly. Na wonu sese be manfo no ho kire wo mu a ye nsha ase ne nam eye weddings ase party ase na leader manfo kamu ye be hunu na ogina party we ase ye be hunu na ogina wedding we ase na wo hye coat akase na wo shoe yi brown shoe ayi hopes leather Italian shoe yi na de kire manfo no na twa gina da this is not leadership. That is not the kind of leadership we want. So the leadership of Akufo-Addo largely by and large has failed because he cannot read the optics. and he cannot even read the mood of the people. The leadership of this Akufo-Addo government, the expectations were so high. That is how he has failed. The last 50 years, Akufo-Addo was our last hope.
Yes.
We thought he was going to put some level of discipline in the system. There is no discipline. It was fail. And this is my government. And your government, government, free government, free. President I was indoctrinated by the figure Akufo-Addo. But we are failure, we must let him know you have failed. Because Akufo-Addo failure and Akufo-Addo failure. The whole nation has failed. So why must we sit in this country and expect that Akufo-Addo will fail and nobody will speak for it? So I am more of a police in the MPP. Me police or mopa.
Obina ayena say, would you do?
And you'll be an iron. More Ghana for you soon nearby. Time about 2008. I walk Highland Office and Akufo-Addo. When I come, all the corruption cases ain't see me pass. Now my friend Musa Kwe do a girl. Why you we do a girl? Wakasebe mumpeno. About 2012. Why you me? Ain't see me pass. Musa, hey, what are you to my crop? I know God we did the mood of the nation who was a control.
Oh, Samu.
Yes.
Oh, is that what
I know shall see by as some papa be amati. Oh ye. Oh ye no. As some papa be amati is yes. I know giant corruption I'll fight or buy a demopan or demamui. Dear Ghana for and Akufo-Addo.
That's funny.
The time he had the energy in 2008, yes, he am pe oyegwe. Me am Tiabian is always yes me yegwe. Meanwhile, I am very principled. I say the things the way they are. I do the things the way they are. But I am trouble, make every person I'm trouble because me can you go school. So me international relations and diplomacy as my masters.
Yeah.
But you are in this course because you are not a diplomat one bit. You don't know how to. Salam tie. Ghana for some penokore. Yampenokore. Now we me young could be on MP or frame one time no sebra. Ya wo kanu kanya sempa ba yamfa.
Onua FM 95.1.
Yes, yamfa. Number said there was in our mind no from A to Z. One name there wo Canada. Ahemfo, asofo, empanifo okroma nyina nim there koso deda. So why na wo ka kire no? Why are you creating enemies for yourself? This is what my friend told me. Every empanifo wo mu nyina nim asem no wo Canada. Ba sa na me nya me bo me dey na kwesa akom. Me kan say dey tie ha dey be sibia. Ya dwene mu wo.
Onua 95.1 so near live a Facebook 44 minutes past 4 60 more minutes to 5 wabeke ho keep sharing and then ma obi so ehunia ekwoso nti yamra your there's this issue with you and Kelvin Taylor.
Why?
Kelvin Taylor.
Onua FM 95.1
and Facebook live no.
And
mo Facebook live no.
Yes, what is
Most be shared way. Onua 95.1.
Don Richie.
Okay. Eti nkrofon ko hwe no Facebook.
Nkrofon ko hwe wan.
An hwe de ye no Facebook.
Anti fatag.
Me ti ma share. Any much ma share.
Anti uba ya na wa share e di amaye. Uba obi abomodi na share sa na enkodru be bi asise dru.
For some days utie Kelvin Taylor ni awoka nyina ne say I've given you 24 hours.
Sir?
What's me tie wan?
Kelvin Taylor.
Oh, okay.
Untie ne dana.
Onua FM 95.1.
Yes or no? Before I
me dey me candy pass.
Untie no once and untie ne.
Oh no, Groffa send this me videos e bia na me hwe bia.
So
no, me hwe but this year say you beat you for bia kasa matuna.
Oh, na ka obi
No, but the entire make us obi ti baby o kasa no say. Ye di nkomo. Na nkomo na ye di ne hefa nkomo ne ye di.
Ghana nkomo.
Ana nipa no so ten.
What you?
America.
No was me okay.
So what is it? you can be everywhere and be.
Yeah, Ghana, now say what Bermana, Sebi Martin Luther King. Tell me who fighting for the blacks, not the American they're fighting. Mahatma Gandhi, all fighting for the people of India, not the Indian they're fighting. Nelson Mandela wan kwatena suoja na no fight my people. He was there Kwame Nkrumah too Kwame was Sabetna Ghana and fight my the people. So if anybody also ye be ma make every fam tie. Your mama person na mti oma anihu. Na me kama agene. Akufado person meti ha me say she Akufado hunim metia. Me ni hia yi ase kro nchia me so me kama agene kire no. So now be ma na dia also tie suoja na ya totobuaba. Ye ntia suoja ntotobuaba mapa so obia betimi aye.
So what are you insinuating? Ombra dawana.
Hani edi nkomo no. Emema okrum. Yanko bebia. America no woti a wo kasa no. Me tu kwan ko bada bia, me ko bada bia, me nko ka ho. Edi so obisi wo nim nyansa, obisi wo adwene, obisi wo besi edi serious conversations. Na se bi bi onya aboa ne kwase a. I think I will respond, but dear ya aboa ne kwase a ne ade de. Santini be ma no ya pa, na aboa ne kwase a na ade bia bi hurura me. And why will I have time to discuss such character?
95.1.
Why that?
Because why character or kasa
such a character.
No character or kasa na dwini mu ha. It is incoherent. It's inconsistent. No, hold on.
Why would you say na dwini mu ha?
Somebody who says mema will be 24 hours. Na me kura ne docket. Tieni.
Yeah, that was coming.
Na me pa was yo kura ne docket opa bomedi ni bini din sebi mpredu asempeni fo mo ni din bini ana ni din ta. Etimi moditi. Oh. Na mabo dia wia avedo ba ko fa ba ye se nipa no ne yire ti New Jersey a memi abona ko ne yire memi abona ko ya abona mkofo de guase ka ye pa cho ade a cho si me ko hwe ye kura no se ne yire no me nua ne no eti first one na no ka so memi abona ba no na ye hoya so he is very shallow. No. Hold on.
Let me make some clarifications. Why are you? No,
I'm not going to respond to that.
The words you are using. Najimu ye.
Oh, yeah, I know. Sajma we ya uye. Me, I'm a senior. No. Dr. Paul, Dr. Professor, Mami kumeni. Dia uye nyina ajuma me na be buy. Sa style ya uye. Me na be buy. See you know what cancer. Oh, me person me cancer no me ameka. How?
Me oh never I'm no.
The only point is that obi so man 24 hours. Me bakrasha.
If not, your wife will be deported back here.
Meanwhile, ore. Nipa kro no. Say nipa no abondi. Wo ko hwehwe mu na em so bi ka che say hey oh adwene mu ha. Eti ne yire won New Jersey. There is something called narcissistic projection of people's life. Obu wa said your tieno. Tienio. Said your nabrabo.
FM 95.1.
So guilty about nabrabo, so he intends projecting it on you. That is narcissistic psychological projection.
He feels guilt in what
sense? Yes.
In what sense?
So because obi etia bruchiri, eden nkrata be wari obi a. It is simply because Onua ni mu no. Broni baby a wo share no dating site na eden nkrata be wari no. So he thinks sa na wo de tie. Meanwhile, me tie me yere tia. Abrochire no akwa ba so people's mind thinks am yere tia abrochire. Me no want to abrochire da. Waka abrochire ayam so kwa wo me be ya odi be 1 year. Asa onti abrochire. Nebusuafo PV oben na no office. Nebusuafo gu abrochire. Even sa nipa no oka ana wote ne yire fie na me
ya wo ka sa nipa no.
Hold on. Sa nipa no oka wote ne yire fie. Oso wote yire fie o New Jersey.
Ote Onua ni fie na ni.
Na wonte ne yire fie asabisabi mpraduase nka wo yire nkwa adwuma ema wonye washing. Enwie na wi a wonsa ho hokura ho hokro. Wo betina social media for 4 hours. Obi a wote America bi o wa adwuma ye bi antra social media for 4 hours.
Probably that is.
Hold on. And who did that woman we as a nanny? Now better social media now 4 hours. Abua Kwasia na menya daja responded to such a character. Why will I do that?
It's a waste time.
It's a waste of time. Any power what does see about me no odin common in Yano and Fena I'm so be sending message you WhatsApp and or you also you're hino bumfa or say no Santiago is that the kind of character you want me to come and respond to? Majina feel practice show so I can severally say me Afrifa out of desperation as a Ghanaian youth without having to have any direction. It's sebi osi kadro kwa no ye kokwajibi asɛm we ma kanu krom ha ka na nkrofo bi kwatra ba bi say hey oye so kwa jisika do
Onua FM 95.1.
you are just empty. So I won't respond to such a character. Why would I do that?
No, whether
Hold on.
The question there.
Hold on. Character bit is I say, hey, yes, no, the Leo Mensah. Eti, na nkrofo ba jisu, hey, achino. Leo Mensah nso me dia ko school from Bomfachiase. Abesi St. George Swami. Akwoka University. Akomfantepem e dia betwa movie okrom ha mane fafo obi a wotie bia fafo na Google Leo Mensah
Minim so ya actor.
Google Leo Mensah me di baba so obi ko Google Leo Mensah no be trend page so yes your friend Leo Mensah na hey, and you want me to respond say my mouth 24 hours me wait me 24 hours me kwete don kura ni page ba abonte kura wutimi stop me so obi adwene ne say na uhwe na adwene mu ha na ewo so woni tirimu ntino otimi tra ho say wow say de o ma me na kuma ebo
Onua FM
me ma me akosu
95.1.
abene wa kuma ebo because Jimmy fo bi ti America kasa koko busa bomfa me ma me wo ma 10 emu 10 ni nyina me yakola boni che wo bia enu kura wa anu maduamu na wo kasa wo ti America ka no say wo ni yire me ma yire jao me yire bibia ni wa wo wiase wo ni mu me yire nim ana wiase ade bia ni wo be me yire nwanwa say be ka che say kwa Afrifa wo mpena come on, let's have serious conversations. Now, also, person de your mama be see a baby. Now, become massam. Bear man, massam. Oh, you come up, papa, ni nyam wasam. Yenny nipa.
What's the meaning of that?
Kapitela ni some.
Yenny nipa unkomo.
No,
I'm wasam no does.
To be below the belt. Any nipa uncommon.
Yes.
What does it mean?
That be me what time for the panko.
You want to tell us Kevin Taylor no it's just a joking.
Onua FM 95.1.
No, yeah, was Taylor. Ozzy Bobidi. Anna.
Which member ni been so far? Obetra.
Why? Kevin Brana Kevin.
Kevin Taylor.
Me say won't me boni din.
Let's
Say boni din once keke issue into we are daring you boni din so that whatever he has.
Nigeria began you say be bread so.
Oh, whatever he
Me
has.
more would you cry with Jimmy or platform so I'm more desire.
Oh, there be. Say
And me more would you.
no, the daring you know.
Or see if you like say Efie.
Doctor.
O say oh bibi amiana make Kevin Taylor.
Or see say Efie.
Can you mention the name Kevin Taylor? That is what we are asking.
Doctor.
But yeah, bro. So the mic, you know.
Me pacho when Kevin was him.
Why?
Kevin Taylor.
They are only in assembly.
Yeah, near bro. Hey, only power what baby or say me my John Mahama be the president. Okra so ni vote sadika.
But sorry, MPP.
Oh, how would you know?
No, we
Onua FM.
Chrono cry with me.
No, Kevin Taylor is an
No, how would you know? Maybe our beggar
Let's not waste. You see, Ghana for
what if he comes to show you so on the Ghana?
maybe many other two wachi. Kofi. Maybe Penimupa or Wukruma. Highly respected person.
Okay, see.
And a friend, yeah.
And what's he say?
No, say, oh, a Kobi Okrum, a very tough pa. No, be person me baby do money. Tien you. Now, when I want to say, your papa Penimuti me transi. No, kasi Kobi Okrum ha and him dear for Yansa form or person me rabe do money. Now, catch them say, send nipa we kasa memra meina no.
Nipa bang.
How can I do that?
When any panel?
Madam fo kotoko chairman nana ya amponsa o ka asem bi kire me na nyansa sem wose sebio obi gina atechim tienie na se nipa no didi watam kwase aboa jimi wo pa abra wonim so betumi abo nipa no pa ba wo si atechenim na akobo ni wia afa wo kɔ a wo gentleman wa show shirt bo se atecha ya ohun se chaka obi abu so wabodam so why will I do that? So be my make every for 24 hours. Kroma will be
yes,
now
yeah, upon say you see of
Okotoko, yes. When my uncle no. O two me for say now kwaku boaten America, kwaku boaten frame ya ozagadechi. Oni manyansa fo atiem kroma. Na ase se bia abo akwase agimi asantini be ma betimi abo akwase agimi ehunura me. Ya ne ya adwene se ba bia ya ba bedru abrabo mu no enema bi wo ho a ye nsoso so na kasa bi se bi on produce wo ma me ayukure be yi amane ekwe.
Me ba cho. Now what triggered this?
I don't know.
Rivalry?
I don't know. I have no me tie.
What can
I don't know. I was about kokase. Joma ama ntimi
Onua
twes.
FM 95.1.
Na me aka joma ama asem. Wo de fa besi. Bese joma ama mambisa na ye. Amamuo no ekufa do de ne nye. Etina mambisa ye de ma joma ama. But nobody should gag our mouth to say to me, Musa Jomama, anything in this country. Nobody should do that. You guys shouldn't do that. Jomama no ankasa woba bedia de no. The ability to say and busa na semo be come and watch shows why you're ready for leadership. Because one, what about the presidency ni bida? So whenever you are telling the people will ask you questions. Say, adia na also be yen ampani ampa betimi aye. Aye na togba fede. And so be the president ya obetwa esgration man could be a musane hwe.
I didn't see.
Because he has shown the way and the moral turpitude. Say the man no what they call. What was GS Gracia from 96, 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020. What GS Gracia nyina one return mu bia. And it's what I catch them force me twam na gaga say some me pension pay. Hold on.
Say ubetwa bibi mu a. Does it mean say you have to return what you've taken before?
You see, so when the people said return what you have taken, the ability to calm yourself and explain to the people say, the time I was taking them, it wasn't a topical issue. But then they may share your purse. Now me read the microphone can I now I'm going to do that for you people. Now be jina ya me dem di dia wi na ojo mama also do dia wi why dey na bezo gojo. When you open pensioner what do dia hold on what dia wi also no dey on return. Now why dey na gojo.
There be o.
Yan kasa sa.
Na do e ba be free education no. E ka so to me.
Ye de amano. Where you swear we okofa ne hin.
Yet yes where you swear we, but that is not how you talk to the people.
WFM 95.1.
But say dia na Efie Ne nipa de kaye. Enti no so ama sa mu aye. Yemfa de sa. Say Kevin kita.
Ye ni nkomo. Wona be so obusa ma sa Kevin. Let's put him aside. I'm not going.
No, you see, the way he said it, I need to me say me brush ye the break when you acquire that thing. He sounded as if whatever he's going to bring out will be so incriminating.
Nobody would. Listen.
You guys have done something.
The strategy of the politicians. One. And Grofo almost had a chair where I do in I won't give credence to it. They do baby as sabi you 2 4 2 out tisike dwaso kura no a San Grofo we baby dinner table San Grofo
95.1.
That is number 1. And 2, the entire warriors and we use the lion tactics. Oh, who say me this social media program be bano. And who say who's a lion? Otewa na se obi ba territory mu a. Wa ge ye so oba be fa wa yintie so dentin image. Lion tactics. Me minim ye che no. But when you abotre show no 2 different shows. Me dia me de ba no. De kanyansa sem mu do adwene wom enkrofo ba betie. Ano no de na woye no so mo a mo se no mo fata se Onua betie abo akwase afofo awese no so ho. Etinya de ameba ne listenership mokura. Me target audience is different. It is an adwene ye no sese bisa be bradua so me ba bagine me ne nyina be di chimpe obenya omo a omadwene mu te sane de no atie no me so nyansafo no be ba betie me nti mo ha no ho we will have our listeners.
So it's all about numbers.
It's about numbers. It's about numbers.
And also live as that time now.
I won't do that.
No, I just want to know. Also live as that time now.
Now Facebook live na kasa me be kurache.
No, so you think you have numbers than him?
Oh, asambenake. One in more Sankregua.
What's one name?
Asankregua. One in no. Both one in no. And I can say to social media, when you study international relations, all the numbers this idiot is getting, and Twaba. Because to America were Western allies. Hold on. America were Western allies. It will be what in America where your social media biano. Facebook naturally will open you up for the Western allies through Europe, UK, Germany, Amsterdam. It's Ghana from Mugu, Germany, Amsterdam, UK, and the US. And the internet to correct for 4 hours. We are what's out to Facebook views. A tuto Facebook views now the kokachira in this for say. Me show the Nkofo et mama miskaro musu tia akabo sumi bia.
Oh, NDC pays.
Oh, please.
Are you saying I'm saying your intel has been paid by NDC?
Hold on. Me say, oh, adwuma we bra. Me no na ye. Ai exaggerate me pesa me kanaka.
Dabi ni aka no.
Do so say e bebo ye wura sante hina mane say. Nkofo a wo mu tua brantie ka. Ekoto ka ma ne papa. One more nation actually so many didn't tell my back. I'm be out.
And or the other one. Or see bodini keke bodini pa eto kama no bodini.
I have time for that. Nobody can dare me. If I want to say something else.
No, if you have evidence to hold, why don't you say it?
He's giving you a duration and it ends today.
Don't spend much time on this boy.
He's giving you a duration and it ends today.
You are giving too much
credence to the point. Who hit the point be? Now point now hitting no. Why can't you settle it down?
Also, me was Santiago na for SM show. Me we are mesa wo asantema SM sumo. Me we are mesa wo Ghana for SM sumo. Me busua e wo SM sumo. Mawie we nyina no nkrofo bebrem tu am school fees nso asem sumo mo eti obi antiment na ho na on dictate ma when to do what at what particular point in time na opema na katache no opema na kamko ngoko anam ko penwan mesi ade akoka kire me yire se me wa enya ne nwanwa yempna the only thing is that onhu me da because more respect ma me yire pa na santini beba me yo hene na de masa na me si wonim nyansa na NDC for so we so wonim nyansa NDC for more competitive percent vote in Ashanti region na nipa wait me betna asante for mu asante for kwase afo asante for this kwaya be fa so mba kwaji 30% no krum ya behwe enipa wait me tro no be fa sante hini no 2 say tutu asio no adi na tamu amoso se mo 30% na mu tua ne ka bo so me krum ya behwe
95.1.
Now when the Chianica.
Oh dear, Missy Yabote.
So he's paid any Yatoka mano by
Yatoka man ne papa. Nesen was so yeah, friends.
But you're not ready to mention any the bank rulers.
Dr. Baker is a mayor. Oh. And I know yes about Kubi or the bar say, oh, pa me man, a question Muzano. Hey. Remember why I made it. Men Penabu Kura or sorry, or Nimba Kuya, Nina Mary away. Me get my guest a quite do baby to read text message. Oh, then I'd be by me eating him about me. Quite river. We are
into do naked crab.
And you see, it is the strategy of the political class.
Okay.
Anybody that rise up and is an independent voice who do not care about either left or right, or more try say they will dent your image, they will do character assassination. It's in near high missionary. Wow, what person will say Okatakyie Afrifa
95.1.
What do you Fabesi Chroma Fabesi never? We don't have time for nonsense. And now I told business and Mrs. Chroma all over the world. Or business and make free from a ton of Sassia. Ombra, on for evidence. Now police station ya tutu. Huh? Yeah, hey, or any other police station. No muti kwasia we me.
But
let's not waste.
But okay, I just thought of something. Yemhwe say even se wo yire e wo Ghana ha say ya. The one he was probably referring to no could be Okanchi maybe over US. I be a only
na men kanchima or US
only say bia I will no only staking no for yere. And no in that case no I will say there is something that or about 24 hours if you don't do it Okanchima no wankasa no masube say
but them ni kasa na so na mo kanchima US I'm mentioning kanchima US
that is
we have the choices open kanchima wo bold
95.1
US what is it why are we so fixated about this nonsense and opema almost air choices one ask you Romeo and Juliet o the end the oba koda pumo me to say be o me vision ti me to me nyasa how do I care about you I don't have time for this
now jitum se opema pa
na mpankoko come worry
now practice how the pass so kan
na opema pa dey na opema pa
where then
worry na worry.
Okay, Kelvin, Mamimbisa, Okatakyie, Mamimbisa about the breaking the 8, no? MPP breaking the 8, what do you think?
Breaking
the 8, no, wouldn't MYB like anything to say about it?
I'm more from where from breaking it. To me, any idea they be a Ghana for
Onua FM 95.1.
Never been there be.
And then you must say, but the echo in breaking 8.
No, Russia,
we have
Ukraine, any COVID.
Ukraine, I can say economy. Ukraine, the economy.
Now, do you think there can be a third force in Ghana? To me, because we are seeing some third force spring up.
As all of a sudden.
Because you call yourself the youth president.
I'm the youth president.
Do you have presidential ambition?
Indefatigable youth president.
Do you have presidential ambition?
I am a benevolent dictator youth president. Me did 70 years from a youth president. And I was saying,
Unya president Albedi.
Messi youth president, me just want
something. Yes, more. Yeah.
Media.
What does it mean?
I'm
what are you doing?
Oh, yes. I'm going to go for the youth president. Now, said was from youth president, who them done.
Or can I say?
I was at the minimum youth president, I want to say. Anyway from youth president.
Now, what does it mean? Youth president doesn't.
That don't go school. The youth not president. So I said
no. Probably there is something behind. There is something behind.
I'm the youth president. That's it.
What the third force be banned? No, why are you
third force? If that is what the people think, sir, Peter be Nigeria, the third force, Banom Beche Muchimpe, Etioma Buhuan, the animasum.
Peso be can say, attack you, yes, sir.
Oba attack me.
Say, be a third force Biba.
Oba attack me, go.
Onua FM.
Me so them a quarter door. Obi a naked picture, crowd, naked video. Me am a crowd, be a send no. Often to about 10 years, the best of me. Now to meet now, when I come my boy, Bomeme, where did you die? As one question, I say, we know.
President Dio when he's wrong.
Minim. President Dio Meniso.
Maybe, sir.
Minim.
But you're from youth president. And see,
now, because me buy chief executive of Cocoa Board. Me buy chief executive of a National Youth Authority. Well, Musamu Bia open National Youth Authority, a see wedi. And why you say, one Musam so see wedi. One Musam so open National Service, a see wedi. Because Sanyo men about the youth. One Musam Mubia. Now, if Chinchina will say, when president, Abidi, one will submit me a president.
When you 95.1.
Me who ye. But Senya, wo Kase, Omapai that I could for craft youth president. Na me who are no. Says, Winyan, your chance, I can't pay.
Never will be a boy.
It was just when your president, Abidi.
Men Casa me president. Nemo mono obia bobra ko nanim. Ana yesa.
Wo de bokoyi. Se ko ba de se wo bokoyi and ko do president so abedi.
Na hwan na ye de oman no share na so oni man na ma woni. Wo ye ma woni.
Me. Ubisa me. Me nwene ho.
The highest seat of the country. See you say ya so wo som nkrofo ya hye woni monyam ene Dr. Preka say kokodi oman na mo simini.
Wadwen ho se.
Me dem ga some president edi.
Doctor Efie who ye MPP ni?
Freddie Nana Bacho.
Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah.
Nana no ka ho.
Who ye MPP?
Nana no pa na de ka ho.
Who ye MPP ni? You share the flag bearership of the MPP, CC. Kennedy Japan. Right? Alan. You were Baudiera. And a Bodiera. What are the chances? Who do you think deserve to lead this party? Because we are no nonsense man.
Minim do bet me lose, but minim do bet me win. Because I won't sit here and preempt to say, man for na air quack to a ban, say minimum, my guinness show team. And I'm in and saying,
no, to you.
May that's why your vote is your secret. Over here, sir, MPP elections in your men can't be a handsome. Because almost all the candidates, may war reasons. The ATM will be
95.1.
The ATM will be until see a bedroom one and me as a mini vote. It's mini vote. Why would I want to make who I think should lead the public?
I don't know in your part because wo back they be a
Omumu bia delegate for no because one na o nyanso betumi DMP. That's fair enough. Oh, me nya sure say meta na chi for now. Eduru na me dwen ho meta na chi e beka wasa.
One e belus, una wo say wonim ne obelus.
Obodi Erado onko nanim.
Bodiera. Hey! Bodio!
Yanka messages in the Kakra. Theophilus Hammond or say talk about the third force. Talk about the third force. We Wama the Isaac Xavier near the best station. Please let him just call the name Kevin Taylor and stop playing around the wall. Chief Los Hammond or say third force. Majid Ibrahim or say Leo Mensah. That's what he just wrote. That's also that's your official name.
Leo Mensah need them papa de man. Me nyine duru baby na me ho say menye Bruni. And I'm a Pan-Africanist. Sabio Sadia no aya no krom ha. You see, slavery in the past was done say continuously. Yebebo nananom aforso omo so omo fa Bruni de nto omo so. One nananom asori akoni nyina brofo ne ko nyina. What does so transfer the same nonsense to your people in the name of Christian names? Na sabi ompreduasa otumfo nyankopon tia esoro. Na wo de agima koduro no so wompe because one fa Peter nto ho so a. That means wo hia okra ho. It made me to me babia ni wa okra brofo de.
So you officially change it?
I officially changed my name. I am a Mr. Leo Mensah. Fantidi kura da so because papa Leo Mensah.
So there's a Leo. There's a.
And I say officially no. Me maiden name no.
Okay.
What done in the maiden?
No, me maiden name.
Where you see you couldn't mention the name. As a name also here.
95.1.
And Nana Kwamna Ado, tell your parents. Okay, I think this is not. I say at MDDA. Always insult. Who say third force. Befa. Say rap channel. Okay, the messages. NDC and Mahama. I thought they have learned something better in opposition, but it seems that they came back with jokes, mocking, and insults. Run. There is fire on the mountain. This week will be interesting on social media. And Tony Breeze, see youth president, Mimi K. Asresu, I don't know what. James Malco, or see, he knows what he's talking about. Leave Kevin Taylor issue and let's talk about something better. Okay, I think.
And we are citizen spectator, or see, Mr. President, you are done. He's talking to you. You are the
His Excellency, but
we are president.
Oh, that be me uncle.
Mami reading the message. Or see, citizen, your friend is spectator. Or see, Mr. President, Okatakyie Afrifa one on you. Or see, please issues about Ghana is too much. Why don't you discuss something serious about Ghana's economy? Ghana economy in here and see.
For me book for me bag me make sure there.
Okay.
Me to at every leisure time. Ubisa me Robert Kacho. Me dwene me tibu kwachi e dwene me sua there me church how I think this country can be moved forward.
Okay.
The kind of things that will move this nation forward. So whenever I have the platform, me book here, atetekura. Me happy FM. Me former boss na the chair me. Say I am in church my ideas.
BBC.
Eti ohwa me fa we ya constitution
Onua FM 95.1.
Nyoma we nyina Ghana ho nsemu. The church public service how it can be managed. The church sa we are ofa me book me ya.
Phone.
Me phone we ya. Oko Samsung Note. They make sure I about Ghana. All I am thinking about every day is about Ghana. So I don't have time to discuss unnecessary issues. 1, 2, 3. Yanko. Okay, so Samsung Note. A year.
Wow.
I said they make Kenyan research. May research. Obama quotes. Just I'm learning.
That's a lot.
Let's wrap up with the IMF governments in the last speech of His Excellency.
Wow. National Development Plan, how we can move this nation forward. About the economy, about the lands, about Greek.
That's a lot.
About fiscal infrastructure, about environment and sanitation, information, communication.
You mean all the sectors?
All the sectors.
That's right.
Onua FM 95.1.
OBC, yeah, they cancel. Come on, let's move.
Hey.
Make it up.
And then you buy a bow. Men seminar come in.
Oh, Doc. Oh, you're tough.
No. Charlie. Men seminar.
But from Wednesday.
Yes.
Made a new program be a metuana the Diagro, a friend for the records. I don't know for social media. Where we are going to set the record straight. Election here will be trying to achieve microphone.
Okay.
You said you can be the Baba tour, a dear Mrana say, send a Mrana Canwa, you can say, yeah, for the records. And to do Facebook now, but for the records. Page in WOHO. Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah who page in WOHO. Me anka sami ke kan niam ani bomu anam chire mati asia. Na Africa for more decided. So for the records never and then go for be a bone who if you like do it let's see. Come on, stop it.
Stop it.
Yeah, social media number. We are the
95.1.
What you say? Me to your mama, me de Akufo-Addo aba. Etu uji tum say make Afrifa mo tum ya de to your mama. Uji tum.
Nabi.
And yes bio to do asakura na nya ko wan tuam. Kakra woman tuam mo metimi aba no de etuo ejina mo so amajo. Ana obi adwe de say your mama e beba na watimi afri ya brochire. Say what you want no.
Hey, one.
Me da bi mo bia me say o ka bi tell me magana. Why you say we did atam ara kwase abo ajiwi na o your mama be dia de sauti wana no.
Na your mama baswe.
Adele say o ma your mama aye unattractive.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Like seriously?
Na me so did you afa our for tem na afa our for mo afa our for kwase afo afa na afa our for na kwoto aba ma your mama ho. Osi afa our for 60,000 na gina Facebook e bom pai omo ye moa. Eti afa our for ni wiem pai bo no a. No makofa wo candidate na wo se no makoto ama no. Sa akɔdeɛ kwasia na chidifo ye moa sa akɔdeɛ kwasia na chi eti sa akɔdeɛ na chidifo no bɛkɔ akɔto aba ma wo candidate no ho. Then this in one now more electioneering winning strategy. There be no more trouble to know. You cannot understand them. Because time amuwa bemu tiye me mamu free consultation. Time amuwa bemu na jo mahama aye University of Ghana Medical Center. Na jo mahama aye airport. Jo mahama aye Harbour Extension. At that time you were supposed to be defending.
There you go.
Defending jo mahama, putting his project out there. Na monya sadam dia moya Akufo-Addo ano tantan Akufo-Addo ya short mind Akufo-Addo cannot be president Akufo-Addo ana hwim Ghana for pamomo
Oyiwa
and then na maba opposition
Onua FM 95.1.
Our strategy should be attacking Akufo-Addo mo se nkrofo a campaign ti ajo mama 2016 ye kwa ata nyanse wo mu pare de now the conversation should be about Akufo-Addo nioma wo ya enye but all of a sudden by their own doing Omo twa mama sa basic conversation in middle amiades. Meanwhile, we are not supposed to be discussing Jomama. We are supposed to be discussing Akufo-Addo what he's doing.
Do you think NDC hasn't got any strategy?
No, the Amiama may say for the last 2 weeks, they are discussing Akufo-Addo once in Bia. The whole nation for the last 2 weeks, your mama they are discussing.
Yeah.
So instead of discussing Akufo-Addo in your war, you better discuss your mama. So it is about improper strategy. Time mamuwa bemu ese mu defend it. Maba bemu ese mu strike attack Akufo-Addo abai no. Osi you defend Joma. Who defend it? What are you defending? What are you defending? Who defended it?
For me,
2016 yeah,
95.1.
But I'm giving you
I don't see it like that. I believe NDC has their own, strategic plan.
may say
Oh.
free consultation. Papa Samu, free consultation. Your strategy is about defending. Who defends in say? The government because a lie when continuously repeated becomes the truth. It's another mama incompetent. MPP folk are incompetent. What time might me defend it?
Amani
Yajuma.
Super buyer.
Time why you tell what? Memeti a media guy. Do you know I didn't have an idea? Now airport at your mama PJCO. Because you the NDC did not project it.
They didn't preach about it.
But you've been traveling all this way.
Hold on. Airport extension, Harbour Extension. You did not preach about it. Schools are no you did. Sometimes they are more focused on Akufo-Addo and you see when you continuously get fixated on somebody, and the same motiam from a motiam from a bar. Sadia nipa ya mokana semui. He thinks he's destroying me. Obey we any followers in Yanam. Hold on. Emotion from bad news. A big crash at that tree, I'm creating bad news, mom. It was a yet to come at Jamaica, Nigerian actor. One man can ask some and then some baby why come for Jamaica, one won't kite. But you remember the name Jamaica? John Dumelo, the young cabo on the man near court in a year say, and then some baby come for John Dumelo, won't kite. It is a Jimmy for being this strategy near a year again, no against Afrifa or disgrace me. Ube we are not motiam from the Macasro, one I see you. So come on, how you think?
Fix the nation, I was saying.
And there,
Onua FM 95.1.
Fix the country and not the nation.
Fix the country.
Fix the country. Yeah.
Guana. In fact, a living document and a living movement. That's all.
That's all. All right.
Because I did fix the country here, you know, in the history and the corridors of this country. We are there, at every given point, we will remember it.
Let's hear IMF scanner, IMF.
Well, I'm going to see here. I'm going to go
Now
what I say 60
Yamfa calls me 5B na wrap up 5 calls me numbers to call 0550 582982 0550 582982 and 020 822 7270 just 5 calls me. Hello 020 822 7270. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, we need to be a free.
Yeah, Pacho, you're better from Casa Cinema.
Yeah, it's you.
Me tell you here for. Me so, me person me bisa Okatakyie say. Almost 5 things are corruption. I want your Mahama Bemu 5 a year secretary. You need to be here. The minister said me share. Oba be you ni Casa Ciano or some born you be also a media man can know him say. What president be I be star. And to me, sir, before you focus on almost 5 corruption things, if I'm a man, because social media, who you name, or then hope social media and that will be you. You need to come here, or get to quiet, you will be to quiet. And to know, Omuning around because you know, Omuning chair, enough for say, you say, who for president for president Rollins will be
95.1.
And you need your mom discuss social media and a better deal admin.
Okay, yeah, that's a pa. Semo. Only at 95.1, so any. Obebana. Oh, that's 1 year as well, Gaina. 0550 5
Memo corruption, your mama.
298.
It's in 1 million. I got to bet you and this no minimum corruption.
020 822 72 70. And then numbers. All right. After this, well, you will be seen mostly on your Facebook.
Oh, yes, I'll be doing for the records at my leisure time. Now, me work construction, me work this, me work quite a few businesses.
People think because the government didn't give you
appointment
into
also beta. No. Government way manko be awesome appointment. In fact, I'm friends with everybody. There is a video on my phone. I'm share me frema. Oh, me my hina year say last 2 weeks Monday and then 2 weeks pepe. Me share was you brefie na. It's me no me free. Just that I was here me buy wa kwala bone. That's your faster. I never ever went to anybody for an appointment. I never till today. Let anybody put it on record.
No mama also anyo.
Why Nadia may be ready?
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, we need baby Akase free.
Your family game because that's all we are fast, man.
Yes, you.
In fact, program now we know a year. I did about Yamana Yamaka Kran say. Nana Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah Kasano. Namu is
95.1.
We tell us some other Namun Jama Nipano, as some of become a year who answer. They to me they are decided for next year no maninka and I can tell us a bonity and Obiantia says so he be anyone more before Kotina Bejoma no be catch and say Obia there with a bonity no bonity or your hini into Muyanes as a moon loan to the sense or hini betina Bejomun there will be say my body the one beka. No, we don't do it that way. It's Ramu Munjano, not the all catch the ya Safona or Cano Yeti. Now, somebody.
Oh, sorry about that. Okay, Yemfa NCH. Only 95.1. So, any. All right, Auntie.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah.
I say there were 2 principles when it comes to friendship. This is the most important.
Only FM 95.1.
I have commitment to friendship and I have respect for friendship. Tianyama with you. If you are so by law or by morality, you are committed. As I say, you many Dr. Prekesa Fadam for it is a no Fadam for Kosia and maybe Ancheresa. So you can be uncommitted to a relationship, to any friendship, whether I'm penetrating whether Juma
FM 95.1.
but say who sa a Juma and I'm penatran kronwa. You must have respect for the friendship you guys shared. T. Every say be a minute Dr. Preka se be di agrono. Minya information ba ku mienu be based on me close proximity. Na ye di agro wie na ye ni agro bi wa. E hu hia say me this information be to abonte.
Okay.
That means I don't respect the friendship we had. Now, another thing is that loyalty, when not well serviced, it breeds foe instead of friend. So be a loyal to you. So Dr. Perker said, "Otuwe, na nkrofo somwa na sa nkrofo na esomwo no. Se wo mfa buo emomo na du ba bi wo sha omo bo wo ni so a. Omo ba be ye wo tamfo rather than say odofo. Because they are loyal to you and you are not servicing the loyalty. It make a chere nkrofo a make every family no manante. Make every family loyal to them.
FM,
but in their mind, because I'm no more working with them, I'm sending mercenaries against me, say. Almost as almost mine. If it's a military me akofo, oh, be any war better minimum. I'm a melusuda, and you know, correct. I come my last breath, me, ensure them be quantum no ensure ni be a mefoshe say don. Na so bia extend this idea we mo kramai tra buruchire na kramai ni po wo kramai ya wo po wo bomfa chiase ye fa ba ye chesi ni koni refie na kwa bi wo bomfa chiase medi wie kura no ne friend kwa me kuturu pejot da bia wo gina bomfa janshi no di dinkrofo atam wo ya aboa wo ya kwasia ye ka chanse kwa me jaye wontie na we na papa mi je friend Jesu etu obon sekan no na obi obonse kan de you can imagine nsam na kwame kutu pejo didi atama na one day jakoka Jesu
95.1
Jesu eti fan nsa osimu man wom e boda ho na kwa na fa no agya to politin bag kase bi ono de nsam yenu afa politin bag ntase achew etu de wo mo tototo bo ne ba na mo ye ye to ye pakọ chopko wo de tokọ na ba be hia difo me da se
okay Okatakyie Kwame Afrifa Mensah, yeah, that's it. Nyame insha papa overstraying. I think we have per day been fixing Asha so that he will be coming more for other national issues to be discussed. He needs such brains on radio. Auntie, yeah, there Hokakra Aba. Yeah, ba, many Pastor Kofi or the latest release be ABBA Onua 95.1 6 will be time for news about 28 minutes past 5. Good evening.